Hello everybody and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. This week I am planning, I'm a little late, but I'm planning for January 4th through the 10th in my horizontal Erin Condren. And I think what I'm going to do is this week it's starting to get really chilly, like really cold. We had a little bit of a reprieve on Tuesday. However, it's like bitter cold. So I thought I would do a cozy themed setup or spread. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try this washi. This is a washi. I don't know where I got it from. I probably got it from Michael's because that's where I get most of my stuff. And that's what it looks like. And it matches all of the sweaters in the spread that I'm going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started and put down the washi. You could see a little bit of the blue through that, but that's okay because there's blue in this, in the washi anyway. It kind of actually looks pretty. Almost looks like it's a border for the washi. So how's everybody? I hope you're doing well. I started back at work on this week. I'm pretty certain I mentioned it in another video. And honestly, I can't believe it's already, like, the week is flying by so fast. Now this washi is covering up the dates, and that's okay. It's pretty washi. I've had it for a while and just never knew what to use it with. And now that I see it, I'll probably be using it a lot more. Okay, let's get the other side. Before you know it, January is going to be gone too. So I've been trying to think of different things. Like, I'll be quite honest. I love I'm going to call it sticker booking. I love planning. I love it. And I love my stickers. I love my washi and stuff. But sometimes, I don't know if you guys have the same thing. Sometimes I struggle coming up with ideas for spreads. So if you guys have any ideas, I would be more than happy to attempt it. So I'm just trying this spread. I sat down and I went back and forth on it, and I thought, well, let me just try it anyway. We'll see how it goes. I wish I could do lettering like some of the channels, or the channels that I watch. Their lettering is so pretty. I tried to practice, and it's okay. I mean, I wouldn't say that my lettering is that good, but you know, I guess the more you practice, the better it gets. Some people just have a knack for stuff like that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty all by itself, just like that. That really is pretty washi. I don't know what I did there. Okay, so I kind of laid it out, and we'll see how it goes. So on Monday, since it's winter time and we're not really going anywhere, there's really not that much to journal about. So it's okay if I'm covering stuff up. I thought I'd give myself some space to write here. And if there's any errands that I need to run. Like that. Then I spelled out the word cozy. It's the individual letters. I thought I would add them right here. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Wasn't sure how it was going to go. I ran out to the grocery store today after work, and that wind. It is bitter cold. Okay, and let's see this guy. I was going to use this washi, which was part of the book. And I got all of these out of the winter book. Oops. It's definitely sweater weather. That's for sure. That's kind of cute right there. So what do you guys think so far? I think it's pretty cute. All right, let's try set up this. See, doesn't this washi, I mean, it matches these colors so well. I don't think that's straight. Let me move it just a little bit. I'll tell you, I already took down, of course, my Christmas stuff. And I've already started decorating for Valentine's Day. And my son came out to me yesterday. He asked me, he said, Mom. And I said, what? He goes, are you going to decorate for St. Patrick's Day too? And I said, yep. So this little sticker says, let's stay home and snuggle. I don't know if I'm going to use... Now here's the long one. Maybe I'll put that down here. We'll see. Okay, and the next one... Actually, let me put down the big sticker. I didn't know if this... I mean, I guess this doesn't really pertain specifically to Christmas. But I thought I'd put this down. Comfort and joy. I need to cut that little T. All right. Oops. Okay. And then I thought I'd put this down. It says remember. And that says sweater weather. And my last two stickers. I hope this gives you cozy vibes. Actually, I think I can get away with doing it sideways. No, I don't think so. How did I do this? Let's see if I can find another sticker that might be a little smaller. Let's look in here. Oh yeah, we could do one of, oh, those are holiday shopping. Let's see. We can put like a to-do or today. Oh, today will match. So let's go ahead and put today. Down. And let's take a look at it. All right. Oh, this is so cute. Can you see it? That is so cute. Here, let me lift it up so that you can see it all. That is really cute. I'll be posting pictures of this on my Instagram. And I think that is it. So I really, really appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that the likes, so that my channel can continue growing and that I can continue bringing you guys content. And I wish you all the very happiest of New Year, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.